Hello and welcome. We are in Module 2, Playing with Yarn. This is Lesson 1, Getting Started. And in this lesson, you're going to learn materials you'll need, looms you'll be using, and how to get support. Materials you'll need. You're going to need some type of yarn. Again, we're going to be weaving a cloth that has the emphasis on the weft. So I'm using a lace weight yarn for the warp. For more information on why I'm doing that, see the last module. I'm going to be using a 12 or 12.5 dent heddle, depending on the loom that I happen to be weaving on at the moment. You can use whatever loom or whatever heddle that is most that you have. You'll still be able to do the things even if you don't have this heddle. And I'm going to be using the same yarns for the weft that I use in the warp. It's what I had on hand when I created this, these lessons, and so that's what I used. You can use whatever yarn is most convenient for you. You're going to need a tapestry needle, scissors, a brick or a heavy book. It will help you with your finishing. Now, looms that you're going to see me using during this module are my Ashford Samplet 10, my Becca SG20, my Shacked Cricket 15, and my Spark Weaving loom. You can find out more information about that loom at www.sparkweaving.com. How to get support. I have a paid membership. You can find out more information at myweavingcommunity.com/join, and there you'll be able to see there are different membership levels. And if you want to get more support directly from me and go through this material with others who are doing it at the same time as you, then join my membership. So in this lesson, you learned materials you'll need, looms you'll be using, and how to get support. I want you to go ahead and take action now. Gather the materials, rewarp your loom as needed for the next lesson, and then download the game board. It's a new one. It's Playing with Yarn game board, and fill it out as you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to tell you what's coming up in the next lesson, but I want to thank you so much for watching. I want to encourage you, please leave me a comment. It really actually helps me a lot, and I'm going to try to do better at responding to them. Subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell, and share this video. It can be helpful to somebody else. In the next lesson, you're going to learn how to easily use supplemental weft, how to weave 2-color clasped weft, and how to weave 3-color clasped weft. So that's going to be super fun, and I can't wait to share this all with you. So I'll see you in the next video.